Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn a video which is about how to uh, install app, able to install app because integrity could not be verified after iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? When facing this problem you have on your iPhone, so then you have, first of all, you have restart your iPhone. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are first solution is not working, their second solution, you have reset network setting. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then click on scroll reset, then you have click reset set network setting, iPhone, a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode, and do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting on your iPhone. The third solution, you have disconnect VPN on your device. So then you have again open the link on your scrub, you have click on VPN and device manager. So then the iPhone is not connected with VPN, so you have must be disconnect or your iPhone is connect. So you have first of all disconnect on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have clear iPhone storage. So you have again open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have free up space. This space, you have free up space on your iPhone, then you have clear on your iPhone. Then last solution, you have check date and time is must correct on your iPhone, then fix, then fix this on iPhone. So then you open the setting, click on control, click on time, so you have set that automatically time on your iPhone. Then so you have so then fix this issue and 100% fixing on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after this video, you have any problems, please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.